Hi guys, today I've got a really easy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left out some hair to frame the face. Now we're just going to split the hair in half, and working on that right hand side, I'm just going to gather it into a clear elastic band, creating a small ponytail. Now take the hair from the left hand side and twist it towards the head, and we're going to bring this twist around to underneath the bottom of the ponytail and secure it in place all along that twist and along the side with a few bobby pins. Add some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then just pinch and pull the crown to loosen everything up. Next, take that ponytail and all we're going to do is twist it all the way down to the very end. Then we're going to fold it in half, making sure we leave some ends out, and then we're just going to add another clear elastic band, creating a loop. Take the tail ends, again twist them towards the head and bring them to the right hand side and pin in place. Use your fingers to fan out that little loop, and then all we're going to do is add a couple of bobby pins to the left and right hand side, keeping it very close to the nape of the neck. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.